Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer from crypto.com to Cash App. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open your Cash App application. Once you open the application, make sure you log into your account. Now, let's say you want to transfer some Bitcoin from crypto.com to Cash App. To do so, first of all, you'll have to tap on this icon at the bottom bar and then tap on Bitcoin. And in this page, it will show you a Bitcoin address. Copy that receiving address, and once you copy that, open your crypto.com application. Once you open the application, you'll have to log into your account, and after you log in, you'll get to the home page. On the home page, you'll have to select Bitcoin, and once you select Bitcoin, tap on send. Once you tap on send, you'll have to paste the address that you have copied earlier from the Cash App application. Once you do so, tap on the send button, and then it will give you option to choose if you want to send Bitcoin instantly or over some time. If you choose the instant option, it will charge you a bit more, and if you choose the slower option, it will charge you a bit less. Once you complete all the processes, transaction will take place, and once the transaction is over, it will notify you. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.